Hi, I'm JP. I'm a product manager here over at OWLink Technology. I'm introducing our wireless presentation product. This product is a speakerphone which sits on your table. It has a beamforming mic. It has USB-C with 60-watt charging, and it also has an HDMI input. It'll automatically switch between both of those. The unique part of this product is it also has a wireless link, which runs over to the camera system, and from the camera system it converts from DisplayPort to HDMI out. So this allows for an easy installation in small and medium conference rooms without having to make a trench or anything. So the idea is that you pull it straight out of the box, put the speakerphone on the table, put the camera at the display, plug them in, no connection required, and plug in your laptop and it will display directly. The camera is passed back over UVC to your laptop, so when you're running a Teams meeting, it's just as if you connected directly all the cables to the laptop, the TV, speakerphone, but a single cable, no wires, easy install. The camera also supports AI, face detection. It can have up to 6 speakers at once. It detects who's speaking by reading their lips, and can also do beamforming on the mics. Okay, so that's the product. It's ready for either ODM customization or off the shelf. So you can deploy it easily within minutes, or if you want anything changed, we can support it and update it for your needs. And again, I'm JP at OWLink. You can visit us at www.owlink.com. That's OWLINK.com. Thank you.